Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make 2 tasty Asian dishes with just 3 basic ingredients that I bet you already have in your fridge. Cucumber, eggs, and pork mince. If you really do, hit the like buttons or comment yes below to let me know. And the best part of the recipe is you don't need any fancy seasoning. Only salt and sugar could be fine. Isn't it great? 大家好，我係 Pinky， 由香港做 full time mom 做到嚟英國。呢個 channel 會分享我點樣用最簡單最快嘅方法煮好一餐填好一家4口嘅肚，點樣喺英國做全職媽媽。如果你有興趣嘅話 ，subscribe and hit the bell。夠鐘，咁我哋而家就去煮飯啦。
First up, cooking rice. Not everyone has a rice cooker, but any pot can do. The type of rice is more important. For example, the rice sold in the supermarkets here in the UK may seem no different when cooked, but the taste and texture can be completely off. The grains might be too loose and not plump enough. If you guys want me to make another video about buying and cooking rice, just let me know in the comments. My rice cooker takes 15 minutes to cook rice, so I'm going to use that time to prepare the 2 dishes for today's meal. Second step, marinating the meat. In addition to salt and sugar, I added sesame oil and cornstarch, but they were optional. Both can make the meat tender. The sesame oil adds flavor while cornstarch helps the other marinade ingredients stick to the meat. Alternatively, you can use other oils and a little flour instead. Finally, I added some water to make it easier to mix and to prevent the meat from being too dry, which also makes it tender. Step 3. Slice the cucumber. The cucumber needs to be sliced thinly and evenly. The key is to hold the knife with one hand and use the other hand to slide the cucumber gradually. Press the knife against the hand and slice it thinly. Step 4. Prepare the egg mixture for the steamed egg. Using 2 equally sized bowls, crack the eggs into one of the bowls. Then based on the height of the egg mixture, add an equal amount of water to the other bowl. The ratio of egg to water is 1:1. Mix the water and egg mixture together. Add some salt, and finally pour the mixture into a plate. Now, all the preparation work is done.
咁頭先用剩嗰啲肉呢，我就通常會攞一個咁樣嘅保鮮袋放入去，先放翻好入去。
Step 5. Steaming the egg.
咁而家個飯呢，仲有30分鐘先煮好。咁通常我呢個時候都會休息下嘅，就未煮先嘅。不過呢，反正都已經開始咗，咁就煮埋佢先啦。
Add a little water to the pan, about 2 cm high, and then add a steaming rag. But not everyone has it at home, so I demonstrated using a spoon and the 2 forks to create a triangle as a substitute, then place the egg dish on it. Cover the pan with a lid and turn up the heat. I picked up the bowl of marinated meat and gave it a sleeve to see if it is well seasoned enough. This is a method my husband taught me, and I think everyone can give it a try. Turn the heat to medium-low once the water starts boiling. and occasionally lift the lid to let the water droplets escape and prevent them from falling onto the steamed egg and ruining its appearance. The steaming time varies depending on the size of the dish and the heat level. However, it usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You can use chopsticks or any other else to test if it's cooked through. Once you feel that set, turn off the heat. Once the water in a pot with the steaming tray has been poured into the sink, you can start cooking the second dish. This way, you can use the same pot to cook both dishes and avoid having to wash too many things. Finally, we have the stir-fried minced pork with cucumber. Heat up some oil. I personally use peanut oil for more fragrant flavor, but other oils will work too. Add the minced pork and stir-fry over high heat until both sides are browned. Then add in a sliced cucumber and continue to stir fry. You can maintain high heat throughout the process to achieve the wok hei that Chinese people often talk about. Add some salt and sugar, but remember to add more to the cucumber rather than the pork, as the pork is already seasoned. Stir fry until the cucumber reaches your desired tenderness. Then turn off the heat and serve. Riley 今年2歲，仲未到返學嘅年齡，所以平時佢家姐 Pearl 返咗學，就得我同佢兩個一齊食 lunch。你見佢咁大份就知佢幾食得，佢食嘢食到好滋味嘅樣呢，絕對係唔鍾意煮嘢食嘅媽咪我每日煮飯嘅動力。如果你同我一樣好鍾意睇佢食嘢，就一定要 follow 佢嘅吃播 IG 啦。每星期我都會喺嗰邊 upload 新片同新相，同 YouTube 係唔同㗎。
嗰啲你唔飲得㗎，小朋友。
睇到呢度嘅你，轉去下條片之前記得拉落去俾個 like 我。If you followed my recipe, please don't forget to take a picture and share it with me. And next time, I will use tomatoes, eggs, and pork to make another Chinese home dinner. Don't want to miss it? Subscribe and hit the bell.
Thank you。我嘴脆啦。抹好啦，抹乾淨啦。啊，好攰啊！